just back from the shops, as you might be able to tell by my hair. It is very windy outside. It's literally like yellow weather warnings. That's such a tongue twister. Yellow weather warnings outside. So I'm not really sure what I was expecting, but it was very windy. But I thought for dinner tonight we could have gyros. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that okay, but you know, like the Greek kind of pita things, because Danny always wants to have them and he really likes them. I'm not the biggest fan of them, but I thought I would surprise him tonight by making them. And hopefully I'll like them too. To be fair, I'm not actually sure if I've ever tried them. Hopefully they go okay, hopefully he likes them. Maybe I'll surprise myself and like them too. But I needed to pick up a few things. So I, first of all, got 2 lemons. I wasn't sure how many of these I needed, so I went for 2. Hopefully that'll be fine. And then I got a red onion. I don't like red onion, so I only got 1. And then I got cucumber. I love cucumber. I literally eat this just as a snack. I love cucumber. I got some Greek yogurt. Annoyingly, they only had this massive tub of it, so hopefully we actually use it up. I got some chicken to go inside of the pitas. I know that, I think you can do different meat, I'm not sure, but I went for chicken. And then I had to pick up some turmeric because I think I've got all the other spices. Oh, I don't have onion powder, but I couldn't find any in the shops, so I just picked up turmeric. Hopefully we can make do without onion powder. And then the last thing I got were just some cherry tomatoes. So hopefully this goes okay. I found a recipe online, so hopefully it will taste good and hopefully I don't completely mess it up. Bones did in fact just knock my camera over, so I'm sorry if I have changed angles, but as I explained on the walk, I'm not 100% sure if that clip will work because I think it's quite windy. But I haven't been feeling great the past couple of days. I feel like I've been in a bit of a slump, not been feeling my best, kind of just been like feeling sorry for myself around the house. So I wanted to get out today, go on a walk. I haven't really done any sort of exercise in quite a long time, so I feel a bit better now that I've done that. So now I've got a video I want to edit and a couple of TikToks I want to edit, and then I think I'm gonna give the flat a bit of a tidy because I feel like the past couple of days it's gotten very messy. So I want to try and tidy a bit. Hopefully that will make me feel better with a tidy space. Danny's parents brought up a few things, I don't know if you can see any of the boxes, last weekend, and we haven't really unpacked any of them, so I might try an attempt to do that, even though I really can't be bothered. I just found a whole what's in my bag for TikTok, and I think it's going to delete because my phone's frozen and it will not save. My chicken is just in the fridge marinating right now, but I thought I would show you, this is the website that I am using, Taste Better from scratch, just the chicken gyros. I'm about to make the tzatziki right now. I'm hoping it'll all go okay. There are a couple of things I'm missing, but I think it'll still be okay. Okay, the tzatziki is done. I kind of want to try it, but it's got fresh garlic in it, and I know I'm not gonna like it if it has fresh garlic. I'm not gonna like this. Okay, I can't have that mindset. It's the garlic. I'm definitely just super over dramatic, but I wish I hadn't put any garlic in it. I have made a little itinerary for the evening. I could not find any paper, so I had to use a ripped up bit of envelope, but I also did spell itinerary wrong the first time I wrote it. But we've got 6:15 drinks and crisps on arrival. I was not meant to be drinking at all this week, but here we are. And then 7:30 dinner, gyros. 8 games. We actually don't have very many games here, unfortunately, so I'm not 100% sure if we're actually gonna do that. And then 9:30, I thought I'd give them the option. We could either watch Downton Abbey or he can play on the Xbox. So here's our little evening itinerary. Hopefully he likes it.
But when I was in Cyprus, it was always meal.
Really?
Yeah, couldn't tell you why.
This is not working. Danny has surprised me this morning with breakfast in bed. He always makes me a coffee in bed, but this is usually what we have for our dessert after dinner. It's kefir, meringue, strawberries, raspberries, and chocolate sauce, and it's really tasty. So he surprised me with this for breakfast this morning, and I'm very excited to eat it. Just ignore that I need to wipe the windows because there's so much condensation, but it is such a nice day outside today. I am quickly heading over to my sister's flat for coffee, but here is my outfit. I'm running quite late. My hair is literally soaking, but I don't have time to dry it. But just a very simple outfit, but I wanted to wear this jacket. She always looks so worried. Hello. Mickey, what's wrong? Good afternoon, everyone. Hopefully you can hear me because it is quite windy. It's actually kind of mild outside though. I literally have the scarf just so you don't have to see my double chin. I'm currently walking to my sister's. I'm a wee bit lost. Give me a second. Do I go in there? I have no idea where I am. My sister and her boyfriend just moved into a new flat, which is very exciting. So I thought that I would go over today and help them out. They need some painting done, I think. So I have offered to help with that. I look a bit windswept. It's telling me to go through a forest. Okay, I'm gonna keep talking to you guys because being a woman and walking through a forest by yourself, it's not what I want to be doing right now. But yeah, I thought I would just help them out. I'm not really feeling too great this morning, like mentally. I have actually been ill for the past like week. I haven't really filmed very much, as you can probably tell. I was ill for a few days and then I went home for a couple of days because I had a few things on, and now I'm back and I'm feeling better, except I woke up feeling a bit just not great this morning. So I thought that this would be nice to go and help her out, and it would keep me distracted and stuff.
Yeah, but I also don't know how to work it out.
Oh, I was laughing at your comment on my TikTok.
Yeah. So we said I spelled it wrong.
He did. Yeah, you did. I get the voice videos on my For You page all the time. Okay, and she's a judge.
Oh, she's a judge, okay. It doesn't, it's not, I've not got enough rings.
But it doesn't look that.
It looks terrible. You can take a look at the huge gap.
Wait, let me try to fix it. Curtains done, except there's big gaps.
We need more curtain rings. Well, not one in the rugby, actually. What was your final?
Oh, Verity.
Yeah.
I can't decide. I feel like yours is nice.
I have never really used Goodreads ever.
I like it, it's fun. I got the story, wasn't, and like she killed her 2 children and all that. We have taped all of the skirting boards now on the floor, and we're gonna try paint them, I think.
Started behind on the house.
I got caught in the rain and I'm absolutely soaked. I am currently just getting ready right now. My hair looks ridiculous, but I bought a new lip liner and lipstick and I thought I could test it out on camera with you. Tonight we are going to a Gatsby themed party kind of thing. It's like a work thing for Danny, and I'm wearing this dress. I'll show you when it's on, and I hope my makeup looks kind of Gatsby-esque. I don't know if I should maybe put some eyeliner on my waterline as well to make it a bit darker. But I wanted to buy a new lipstick because I feel like I don't have any that I love. So I bought this NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Can, and I bought the matching soft matte lip cream, which I actually was worried I have this one, but I think it's a different one I've got. I'm gonna see how it looks on. I might actually use a red lip liner and then do the pink in the middle. I'm not 100% sure, but this is really difficult to open. It is only currently 20 past 3, but we're leaving at like 4 and I still need to do my hair. I really don't know what to do because I know like in the 20s they had their hair up a lot, but I don't really like my hair up. I think I like that. I was looking for one that was a wee bit darker, but I couldn't really find anything. What do you think?
Ooh,
Do you like it?
Yeah,
It's very pink, but
I like it. You still filming?
yeah. Okay, this is the colour. Is it a bit pink? Maybe. But I feel like it looks quite nice. I looked up this lipstick on TikTok and it seemed that a lot of people got like a brown lip liner and then used it, and I feel like that looked really nice. I kind of wish I had got that, but I don't think I've got any brown lip liners, so we'll just have to stick with this.